Hey loves, welcome to my second eyeshadow tutorial using the Profusion Spectrum Pro Pigment Palette. I will be focusing on the cool shades for this makeup look. I also used a glitter from my new Hard Candy Glitteratzi palette. I am starting off this makeup look by placing Rain directly into and slightly above the crease of my eye with my Coastal Scents Detail Pointed Crease Brush. Now with my Energy 125, I am applying Nautical to the outer third of my lid. On the remainder of my lid, I am applying the shade Julep from the Prism Makeup Exotic Eyeshadow Palette, using the Nicka K round eyeshadow brush. This will act as a base for my glitter. I purchased the Hard Candy Glitterazi Glitter Gel Palette in Center of Attention from Walmart for $6. I am applying this gorgeous teal glitter all over that shimmery shadow using one of the foam tipped applicators that come with the palette. With my Energy 111, I am applying my favorite brow bone highlight, which is the LA Colors highlighter in the shade Shine Bright. And before falsies, I am applying a thin coat of the Believe Beauty Volumin'eyes mascara. Going back to my Energy 111, I am now applying the shade Peacock to my lower lash line. I love how it matches the glitter on my lid. To complete my eye makeup, I am lining my waterline with the Nicka K Black Eye Pencil and highlighting my inner corner with that Shine Bright highlighter using my BH Cosmetics V9. Here's my second makeup look using the Profusion Spectrum Eyeshadow Palette. I love this makeup look. This gorgeous purple paired with the various shades of blue go so well together. Thank you so much for watching. Check the description for all of the products that I used to create this makeup look. Also, I would love it if you left me a comment down below telling me what you thought of today's video. And if you're interested in look 1, it will be in the pinned comment below. Bye, loves!